Do you want to go through all of this again soon? Or are you trying to find a solution that's going to put you in a long-term place that you want to be with not only the kind of cold and hot air, but efficiently in a lower bill and less hot spots,
I
right? And
told
so
he can fix the ductwork and he'll actually get more benefit than if he replaces the system. The system's not broken. It's just had causing issues once a year because of the ductwork.
yeah. And so that's where your expertise is like, listen, if all you want to do is switch out the systems, I'll do that for you. But know that it's not accomplishing what you've asked for it to accomplish.